Hello boys and girls of the internet, a quick one. So in today's video guys, what I want to do is to show us how we can actually make $15 every day by mining cryptocurrency. We're actually going to be mining a particular coin, and we can convert this to a pair of our choice, and from that pair we can actually move this to USDT, right? We can actually make $15 every day by mining on this particular website. All right, so we're going to show you this in less than 10 minutes. It's going to be a step-by-step method that shows you everything you need to know to be able to mine on this particular software. Be sure to follow it step by step to get all the nitty-gritties that you need, right? So I'm going to allow my guy to actually walk you through, show you guys everything from A to Z. But before I do that, guys, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one of the things I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon. Now what that does is that it actually notifies you when next I publish a video on how to make money online and you start making money already, right? So follow the step-by-step guide, follow the procedure, and then get to the point where you start making money. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and drop a comment, and I'm gonna see you guys on the inside. Make sure you follow the step-by-step guide.
So right here I have a total asset of 15 USDT in my balance, and guess what, you can actually earn this amount and even more for free right here on this website. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the money making process right now. So to basically get started with this website, you're going to find the link in the comment section down below. Okay, so I'll be pinning it down in the comment section. So once you click on the link, it will bring you right here to this registration page. And to register, what you need to do is to select your country code right here. So you can actually check if your country code is actually here. And then you input your phone number right here, okay? And when you're inputting it, you won't actually add the 40 when you're inputting it, okay? Then you click on this send verification code, and a verification code will be sent to that particular phone number you actually provided right here. All right, then after that, my invite code should be appearing right here. Then you actually input a login password and you also confirm the password, and afterwards you click on the register button down here. All right, so once you create your account, you'll be given a UID right here, okay? And right here, if you scroll down, you can see right here you have about 2,000 gems currently frozen, and this will be unfrozen for you. You actually log in for 2 days straight right here on this website, okay? And also, if you actually sign in every day, you get 400 gems on a daily basis. And guess what, at the current time of making this video, 7,000 gems currently equals 1 USDT. And on a daily basis, if you click on this sign in button right here, like I just did, you're going to get 400 gems every day. And if you actually keep 2 days streak, you actually get 800 gems additionally to these 400 gems. And you can actually convert these gems to USDT, which I'll be showing you later on in this video, okay? So if I scroll down here, you can actually see it right here. So on a daily basis, come here and actually sign in for these 400 gems, okay? Now if you look up here where you have menu, if you click on this drop down right here, you can actually see the next section where you can actually check your asset, okay? So we're going to go to my asset right now. Right here I have 15 USDT in my total balance, and I'm currently holding most of it in this particular token, which is the PHY token. So I'm currently holding 18 PHY token, and 1 PHY token is currently $0.82, okay? And if you actually check your Mexi crypto exchange, you're going to find this particular token also listed right there, okay? So you can actually convert these gems right here to the PHY token, and you can also convert it to any of the tokens you have right here, okay? Now one of the main reasons why I actually converted mine to the PHY token right here is because if you actually come back here, you could actually see that since when this particular token got launched, price has actually been increasing. So meaning this particular token has a lot of potential and it's actually doing well. So I think the token is currently heading to 1 USDT or even more. So that's why I converted it to this token, so that as the token is actually increasing in price, my worth will also be increasing right here, okay? So if you want to actually convert this gem right here to USDT or to any token, all you need to do is to click on the flash swap right here, okay? So right here you can even convert any token to USDT. You can also convert the PHY to USDT. You can convert the gem and other tokens right here to USDT or to any token. Okay, so let's say I want to actually convert my gem right here to USDT or to the PHY. All I need to do is click on the maximum button right here. So this will be giving me about 0.0728 PHY back, and currently the minimum amount of gems to actually convert to any token is actually 100 gems. Okay, so how do you actually accumulate this gem right here on this particular website? If you come here to menu, also if you click on the drop down, you could actually see where we have the tax center right here. Okay, so these are the basic ways you can actually earn more gems right here on this website. One is actually by signing up as a new user, and you'll be giving 2,000 gems for free. And once you are giving those 2,000 gems, it currently appears in your frozen wallet. Okay, then after about 2 days of you actually being active on this website, it will be unfrozen for you, and you can also convert it. Okay, another way is the daily check-in, like I actually explained earlier. So if I click right here, you get 400 gems every day whenever you check in. Then here we have the lucky draw, so you could actually earn about 200 gems right here by actually participating in the lucky draw. And we also have the share draw right here. So this is probably similar to the lucky draw that we have down here. Okay, so coming back here to menu, if you look below tax center, we have the invitation reward. Okay, so another way you can actually earn right here is actually by inviting people, where you're going to find your invite link right here. Okay, so you copy your invite link. So once you actually invite your friend right here, they get about 2,000 gems upon sign up, and if they also log in for 2 days consecutively, they get 800 gem, and every day you get 400 gem. Okay, and for the referral rewards, you're going to get 1,000 gem for each friend you actually invite under the level 1. Okay, so if this your friend under level 1 goes on to invite more friends, you'll be getting 600 gem from the people you actually invited right here. And if these people go on to invite more people, you can get up to 300 gem up to level 3. Okay, so these are just the ways you can earn more gems right here on this particular website. Okay, by actually signing in every day and also inviting your friends right here. Okay, so right now let's go ahead to actually place a live withdrawal. Okay, so I want to actually withdraw this into USDT. So the first thing I need to do is to actually convert my PHY tokens right here to USDT. Okay, and I'll do that by clicking on the flash swap right here. Then right here I'm going to select the PHY here. Then down below it, I'm going to select the USDT. Okay, so the minimum amount of PHY I can actually convert is 1 PHY, and I actually have 18 right here. Okay, so this is currently worth about 14.58 USDT. Okay, so I'll click on the confirm button right here, and then I'm going to confirm this, and it says swap successful. So we'll head back here right now, and you can see right now, because of the swap, I currently have 14.2 USDT right here. Okay, so I think some fees was actually procured while swapping. So right now I'm going to go ahead to withdraw this USDT by clicking on the withdrawal right here. Okay, so right now the minimum withdrawal right here on this website is actually 6 USDT. Okay, and you can also withdraw the PHY token right here to your Mexi crypto exchange, because that's one crypto exchange that it is actually listed on, or any other crypto exchange that it is also listed on. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in 14 USDT right here. So right here we have the receiving blockchain, we have the ETH right here. So I'll click on the drop down, and we're going to be selecting the Binance, which is the BP20 network. Okay, so right here I need to actually paste my BP20 network wallet address. Okay, so you paste the BP20 network wallet address right here. Okay, so make sure you're actually providing the right wallet address. All right, so right here we'll be charged a handling fee of 1 USDT. Okay, so this brings our total receive amount to 13 USDT. So I'm going to click on the confirm button right here, and a code will actually be sent to the phone number you actually provided right here. So I'll click on this get verification code right here. The verification gets sent to you. You need to actually complete this captcha right here. Okay, and here we go with the code right here. So I've just filled it up already. Then I'm going to click on the confirm button here. Okay, and it says withdrawal successfully submitted. So I'm just going to wait to see how long this will actually arrive. Actually check my withdrawal process. I'll actually click right here to actually check my withdrawal record. Okay, so you can see the status, it says approved. So this should arrive anytime soon. This didn't take long to actually arrive. Okay, so if I scroll down right here, you can see the deposit confirmation of the 13 USDT I just received, and you can also see the time and date it actually arrived. Okay, so it didn't really take much for this to be processed right here. Basically, get started with this website, sign up and actually start claiming gems right here and be accumulating your gems, and at the end of the day you can actually swap it for USDT and actually withdraw it directly to your wallet. Okay, also that is not all. You can also transfer your gems from one user of this website to another user. Okay, all you need to do is click on the transfer button right here. Transfer from at least 400 gems from one account to another. Okay, as far as both accounts are actually signed up on this platform. Okay, and also if you are on this particular platform, I don't think it's advisable for you to have multiple accounts. Okay, because once the platform actually finds out, your account could actually get locked. Okay, so if you're going to have multiple accounts, it might not be on the same device. Okay, and I'm sure most of you are currently wondering why we have this deposit button right here. Now this is if you want to actually purchase any token right here. Okay, you can actually deposit USDT to do that. Okay, and note that's not actually financial advice. Right here you come here to earn for free, like I just explained here. If you are choosing to actually deposit or purchase any token right here, do it at your own risk. Okay, I'm just doing this video right here for educational purpose only. All right, so you can do that. You can click on the deposit button and you can see the USDT right here. You copy your deposit address, and let's say you want to buy the PHY token right here. Okay, so if you are going to be doing that, do it at your own risk. Okay, and you can also connect with other users or other people that are currently on this website on WhatsApp. Okay, you click right here and it will take you directly to the WhatsApp group where you can actually ask questions, and the WhatsApp group is actually open. Okay, so you join it and you could actually see other people asking questions and other things. And if you click on community down here, you can also see messages from other users right here. Okay, so that is all for now about this particular platform. I hope you're going to find this very helpful. So sign up and start accumulating your gems, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you actually enjoy these updates. Okay, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.